That's right. Thank you, John. We're excited for this one today. And I know our guys here, our production guys, are excited as well because this smells so great.
Yes.
Is this your own recipe then, Ashley?
No, I found this on the internet, Pinterest. That's my go-to for quick meal ideas. And this one is super simple. Just a few ingredients, you throw together and put it in the crock pot, and supper's ready when you get home.
Yeah, and I think so many of us appreciate the crock pot, especially during the winter season or during school, because we're heading out for the day.
So busy.
And this is so nice to have at the end of the day.
Yes.
So how do we make it?
So you just start out with a bag, and you put your onion soup mix in.
Oh, into the bag. Okay.
And then also the paprika.
So the dry ingredients go in there.
Yep.
Okay.
And then we go ahead and dump the meat in.
I'll help you here.
Perfect.
Okay. And this, what kind of beef do you get for this?
You can get stew meat.
Stew meat. Okay.
That tends to work the best. And just mix it together.
Just to coat the meat well.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and dump that into the crock pot.
Okay.
And then go ahead and dump your potatoes.
Okay. How many potatoes do you put in?
I kind of like to beef it up, so I put sometimes 6 to 8
Oh,
potatoes.
really? That many? Okay.
Yep. And then your onion.
Ready.
And then 2 to 3 cups of carrots. And I like to go a little heavier on my stuff. And
well, then you have more. You have leftovers,
exactly,
right?
exactly. And then this is the cream of celery soup.
Okay.
And then you mix that with the ketchup.
Ketchup. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. This is probably. Is this for me to eat? Probably. There we go. Oh, she's got this too. That works. Karen is giving us advice here. Karen, you need to join us. All right.
Yes.
So then, mix that together.
Yep. Yep. And then go ahead and just dump that on top and put it in the crock pot until it's time to eat.
Okay. And then how long would you put it in the crock pot? Like for 8 hours? Or?
Yeah, 6 to 8.
6 to 8.
Should
I know.
be good.
I know why Karen was saying this one instead of this one because I need to dish out with it. That's okay. I'm okay with this. So here's our finished stew. We'll see if we can get a picture of it here.
Yes.
There we go. Here it is. It looks great. There we go on camera there. Perfect. We'll give it a try here. I bet the beef is really tender when it cooks for that long.
Yes, yes. And since March hasn't been very nice to us the last couple days, a nice stew is always good on these colder days.
This is good. This is a crowd pleaser. I like it. We will have the recipe for you again on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page after the show. Back to you, John.